Well, hello. I am live. Oh my God. Man, I'm back. It's Tax Tuesday. Kay Powell from Speedy Tax Services. Did y'all miss me? I know I missed you. It was a long season and we're back, and it's so exciting because we're getting ready to get started again with the new tax season. I'll be giving you tips. I'll be available. I'll be helping you move along, and so that you can have a really good tax season. We know this is a help for everybody, and we are supposed to pay taxes, y'all. I know nobody want to pay taxes, but guess what? And I'm so excited to be back online in affiliation with Black Small Business Association. So thank you so much. I appreciate you, BSBA of California. Y'all is Selena and Lena and all of you guys. I love you guys. So, they help me because, we all work collaboratively together. So tax season is starting on next Monday on January 24th. Woo woo! Tax season starting. Okay. And I know that people are excited and anxious. And, actually, we're open to receive your documents. But I want to tell you right now that IRS is like a whole new beast. If you submit a document and there's any type of errors, if you don't have all your documents submitted, guess what? They bounce it to the error section. And then we're talking about months and months and months. In fact, they said that they're just now dealing with April of 2021 people that submitted. So if you haven't received your refund or anything like you're waiting to find out from IRS, they're sending error letters out. Your refunds are starting to go out. But if you had an error, that's what happened. So you're like, what happened? And then IRS is saying, hey, if you still haven't heard from 20 taxes, you can still file your 21 and that'll be taken care of. So, wow, what a trip. So I'm telling you right now that you want to try to get yourself there. It's time. Start getting your documents. Don't come too soon. If you do come, we'll just hold them and put them somewhere until you're ready. But we do have a portal that we're setting up for all our clients. Yes, we have one through our website, and we also going to give individual portals where you can download your information if you have an email, and then also you'll receive your tax return. And then during the year when you want your tax return, you don't have to ask me. All you got to do is go and get it from your portal. It'll always be available. Woo woo! Thank God for technology. We are moving. Hey, did you check out our website? We have a great website, speedytaxesusa.com, and you can make appointments there. Man, because of this coronavirus, I'm trying to eliminate all contact appointments. Now, that means there are some people, they just need to see you. That's okay. I got my office clean. You can wear a double mask. We got gloves. We got all kind of hand sanitizers. I clean the office between each person because guess what? I have been blessed that I have not gotten it because I have kept really good. We got a thermometer, blessed by, so that we can make sure that people are clear, although they say the fever don't matter no more now anyway. But check out our website. You can make an appointment. You can pay your fees. You can find out what our fees are. You can also, through that portal, you can download documents. But if you have a lot of documents or whatever, we're going to ask you, we're going to set up an actual individual portal for you so that you can always receive and get that. And we don't have to do no emails, and we can't compromise your identity and make sure that you're good. So isn't that exciting? Yes, we're moving into the new era, and I'm very excited about it. Small business owners, I know you've been put on notice about the fact that IRS has told Venmo, PayPal, all those people, they're going to start that if you have any kind of income over $600, they're going to send you one of those 1099s for receiving income. But guess what? We're going to figure it out. But they're saying it's only for sales and goods. So if you have services and goods, you should be getting something, or you should be able to determine from Venmo, Cash App, PayPal, any of those things. So let's see, how do we, the way that they do it, the way that it's done, Selena, is it's called side hustles over $600. That's right. There you go. Small business income. You're going to be receiving, it's a 1099K from those people saying this is the income well, it's a good thing and a bad thing. I really like it because people don't know how much they make. You underestimate your income, and that underestimates the power of your business. The value of your business is really based on a lot of it. I know it's based on your goods and what you're doing and the mission, but it's also based the buying power, and the power is based on your income. So you have an opportunity there to find out what's income and what's not. Now, I know we intermingle personal, family, friends, everything with our business. So I still haven't figured out how they're going to make sure that that works out. But that's what it is. So over $600, Serena. So that's how we got to figure out, but it's going to help. And then if you look on my website, I have a checklist. There is a checklist on there for getting started for your taxes. There's a checklist for your small business. Like, what are my expenses? Thank you. That's correct. The side hustles over $600 is now going to be reported to IRS. And so you're going to have to figure out how you make that income, and then start looking at your expenses for that small business. Because see, IRS, I knew when they started doing the PPP and the EIDL and talking about, oh, you can just, these grants and you can just put in, I knew that they was going to make us come to the table, EDD and all that. They're going to make you come to the table and claim this income. So that's why it's very important to know that that's going to happen. I'll give you tips or find out how you can make sure that you can flush through that and just only count business income and not have to count your family and friends payments that you've made to them, because I did a lot of that too. So we'll see about that. Checklist. Okay, so on my website, we do have checklists. The checklist is business checklist and individual and corp checklist. And what they do is they help you look at how to gather your paperwork, how to get your receipts together, how to figure out what expenses and all that. Because if you come to me like some of y'all have with a shoebox full of receipts, I'm looking at you like ching 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 ching, because I gotta charge you for that, because I can't sit there and go through no stuff. You can do it. All you got to do is sort your stuff out. But guess what? If you had a tip, like I've tried to give y'all about this checklist, if you had a tip of having your own business account and having everything on there, it would be easier for you to figure out. And then you could go to your checklist and put in there, this is how much I spent on advertising. This is how much I spent on supplies. And then that checklist you can submit to us. And that would be great as far as helping us get your taxes done and not have extra costs in regards to how that's going to work. So let me give you an example. If you're a small business, say you're an entrepreneur and you're a sole proprietor and it's just you and you want to get your taxes done, $175. Now, let me tell you, that's the best deal in town, $175. That's not bad at all. So, and if you have to do corporate taxes, it's $250. Why? Well, how do you make no more money? But it's corporate taxes. I have to, there's a lot of knowledge, a lot of things have to do and expertise to do that. So anyway, we're excited about doing taxes, but wait on your paperwork. IRS said that they're sending some paperwork to you to let you know. They said the big error that's going to happen that happened last year. You said you didn't get the stimulus and you did, or you didn't know you got it. So, we got the third stimulus, the $1,400. That stimulus, you need to, if you want to get it and you didn't get it, even if you're not required to file taxes, you have to file taxes now. They're not going to send it to you. You got to file taxes. And IRS has said that a lot of people have gotten it, that they sent letters out to you. IRS letters have went out and let you know if you got the advanced child tax credit, how much you got, or if you got the stimulus. They want you to wait on that if you're not sure, those that receive that, before you file your taxes, because if we make an error on it based on what you told us, that you will not get your refund in 3 weeks or 10 days or whatever. You have to have that. You need to be accurate about that. Wow, well, I'm ready to file my taxes now. Okay, but you take the chance, and I'm ready to do your taxes now. I'm ready, ready, ready. Me and Luana and Crystal, we're ready. But we want you to make sure that you have your documents so it doesn't go into the error unit. Make sure you know if you received the stimulus, the $1,400 and whatever you would have gotten for that, just the third stimulus for 2021 taxes. If the first and second, you can still get that, but that's on your 2020 taxes. So the stimulus and the advance, the advanced child tax credit, where they sent out, IRS sent out like $250, $200, $300. Can't remember. I know it's $250 and $200 for your dependents. They want you to make sure you accurate about that, so that when we do your taxes, that we don't double claim it or leave it out, and then they're going to bounce you to the error list. So that's what they want you to expect. I'm real excited about that tax season. If you have a business and you're ready, you can file. We can do business taxes. What's business tax? Everybody's so confused about what's business taxes, and I really, really get it. So if you're a sole proprietor, your business taxes are filed with your personal taxes, and business taxes are corporations. They are S corp, LLC, or C corp, and they can be filed now. We're up to date. But do you have all your documents? Have you got all your? Have you did 1099s? Have you did W-2s? Do you have all your documents? Don't go too early. Bookkeeping. Do you know all your expenses? So let me tell you, that's what you want to make sure. Yes, that's business taxes. So everybody, I got business taxes because you have a business. Well, if you're a sole proprietor, that has to be filed with your individual taxes. So these taxes, tax season open January 8th on that, and you can file for those. But we're hoping that people understand that you need all your documents. So what else do we offer as a business? Speedy Tax Services Guru. Okay, I hope you guys saw my commercial. I'm trying to do some big things, y'all. So I had a telephone commercial, and I am on the radio now on 102. Your tax guru is coming to you, trying to do some big things. So what else can you expect? Okay, every Tuesday I'm going to be giving tips and talking to you and all of that, and helping you move. I'm going to be doing some workshops with Black Small Business Association of California, because we're trying to give you the biggest and the best and the brightest tips that we can. But what other services do my business offer? We offer bookkeeping services. We do bookkeeping for small businesses. We also offer payroll services for small businesses. And we just, offer to help you with also with trying to resolve any tax resolutions. So those are the three things that we do, the extra things that we do. So we have a bookkeeping unit, we have a payroll unit, and we also do tax resolutions. And I'm telling you, we're the best in town. I got 35 years experience, and I put in my time. Let me tell you, I put in my time to try to develop the business, to try to be, hey, what I'm saying, I told myself, I am an influencer. Yes, I am a tax influencer, small business influencer, meaning I'm influencing you to do the right thing and bringing good information. You see, my contact information is on the screen. We have my phone number. We have my email address. You can contact me. Guess what? I answer the phone. Yeah, I ain't got that big yet. I don't have no receptionist. I answer the phone, but I do have an office manager. Crystal is been in business for 10 years. She's been licensed, and she runs the Plumas Lake office. She also backs up this office. And then we have my wonderful, gorgeous sister, Luana. And Luana and I look like just alike. So yeah, she's gorgeous because her and I look like twins. So anyway, thank you for this Tuesday. I look forward to coming to you with some more information. So hit me up if you need me. Call me if you want to. Call, because I will be there. TikTok. I love y'all. Have a blessed day. And thank you, Selena. You guys are the greatest. God bless y'all. See y'all next Tuesday.